Hey Famsters, today I've got really rad robots, Fart Bro. It's an RC robot that farts and burps on command. Let's get pranking.
It's so relaxing and peaceful. Ah.
Let's get our first victim. Theo.
What's that? Where's it coming from? Theo! Oh, so gross.
Haha, so funny, got ya. Fart Bro strikes. Time to get mum. Let's go Fart Bro.
Len! That's disgusting. Len! Stop! I've told you before, you need to stop doing that. It's disgusting. What is that? It's burping. It's a burping robot.
Got you mum. Well done Fart Bro.
Was it you that was burping just out there?
It was Fart Bro.
I thought it was your dad. You wait. You wait. So now I've got my hands on Fart Bro. And it's time for me and Fart Bro to get payback. I'm thinking whoopee cushion mode. Let's do it.
Mum, I'm going to watch TV in my room.
Okay.
What's that? Fart Bro!
Theo, that's what you call payback.
Oh no! Fart Bro, you betrayed me! I've had so much fun with Fart Bro, I can't wait for the new prank bro to come out and prank some more people. Fart Bro is available in stores and online now. If you'd like to win some really rad robots goodies, then with your parents' permission, check out the link below. Bye everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our channel for more fun videos. Bye! Fart Bro out.